Dave, go ahead.
Quick question for you. So how do you decide, obviously you're doing private pay and Medicare, they're two different things, or Medicaid. But how do you decide how much you're going to charge for private pay? Is it just arbitrary number? Do you take the Medicaid, what they're gonna reimburse, and times that by two?
So I look at it like this. My competition is Right at Home, Bright Star, Home Instead. You take the top 10 franchised home care agencies providing private pay in-home care for seniors, and that's my number one competition. So like I'm looking at that area. What's my market doing? What's the Right at Home, the Home Instead, the Bright Star Care? What are those top 10 Comfort Keepers? These are home health agencies with 2, 3, 4, 500 locations that were all built on servicing middle America that paid for private in-home care privately. So what I do is I would look at that, right, and say that market is it $30 an hour? Is it is it $40 an hour? Like, what's your market doing when it comes to that private pay in-home care? And then I'm trying to be somewhere between 50 and 60% of that per day. So I'm saying, like, to give you an example, say my market, it's around 30, then I might try to be somewhere between 15 and $18 an hour, whatever that would come out to be in like a day,
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.